Deep underground, crude oil begins its journey toward becoming the plastic products we use every day. Welcome to Factory Fortune. The extracted oil is transported through pipelines and tanker trucks to huge industrial refineries. In the refinery, crude oil enters towering distillation columns, where heat separates it into different useful components. One of these refined components is naphtha, the key ingredient that will soon be transformed into plastic. Naphtha is heated in cracking furnaces until its molecules break apart into ethylene and propylene. These gases then combine to form tiny plastic pellets called polymers. The pellets are melted and molded into everyday plastic items using high-pressure machines. From bottles to containers, the finished plastic products roll out on fast-moving assembly lines. Workers pack the products and prepare them for shipment to markets around the world. This is how factories transform simple crude oil into the plastic products used worldwide every single day. If you enjoy interesting factory content, don't forget to subscribe.